Imagine the ultimate boundary, a line not drawn in space but etched into the very fabric of reality itself. A point where the known laws of physics simply cease to exist. For centuries, black holes were nothing more than mathematical whispers, haunting the equations of Einstein's theory of relativity. Invisible, unseeable, untouchable, cosmic phantoms. But today we attempt the impossible. We will cross that forbidden boundary, the event horizon, and peer into the darkest secret of the cosmos. The event horizon is the point of no return, the invisible surface around a black hole beyond which nothing, not light, not time, not even information itself, can ever escape. From a distance, a black hole is the universe's apex predator, a monstrous gravitational titan wrapped in a glowing whirlpool of matter, the accretion disk, superheated to millions of degrees, blazing brighter than entire galaxies. But as we dare to approach, the familiar laws of reality begin to unravel. Time itself slows to a crawl. The stars behind us bend into a luminous ring, a distorted halo of light twisted by gravity. The very shape of the universe warps before our eyes. And then we see it. The perfect black sphere, the event horizon, the edge of eternity. We cross. The universe behind us collapses into a single circle of light. And then it's gone. Silence, darkness. But this is only the beginning. Here, gravity does not simply pull, it tears. Our bodies are stretched mercilessly, atom by atom, in a process known as spaghettification. Your feet are yanked away faster than your head until you are no longer a person, but a ribbon of particles spiraling into the abyss. It is horrifying. It is beautiful. It is inescapable. And still deeper we fall, past the point of comprehension, past the last whispers of starlight. At the heart of this darkness lies the greatest riddle in physics, the singularity, a point of infinite density where everything the black hole has ever devoured is crushed into a space smaller than an atom. Here, the very fabric of space and time tears apart. Cause and effect no longer apply. The universe breaks. What truly happens here? No one knows. Perhaps it is the end of reality itself, or perhaps a doorway to another universe, another beginning. The answer is locked forever beyond the event horizon. So what happens inside a black hole? It is a journey into destruction, into physics pushed beyond its limits, into the most profound unknown we have ever faced. A reminder that the universe is not gentle. It is violent, mysterious, and infinitely stranger than we can imagine. Thank you for watching the AI channel. If you enjoyed this journey into the void, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more explorations of the universe's greatest mysteries.